CT300 is the leading part in today's video. Let's take a look together. Pure copper is heated evenly and lasts for a long time, and its heat conduction is 10 times that of stainless steel. It can be used for the production of hydrosol and essential oils. The discharge window allows the waste to be discharged easily. The liquid level window can see the water level in the pot to prevent dry burning. This is a drain basket and an essential oil separator. It's a large operating window, very convenient to observe the situation in the pot. On the right is the storage tank. Enjoy some real shoots, and see you next video.